As you can see, it says Spotify developer detected Spotify premium membership activated for free, forever never expires. This is not fake. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this insane way to get Spotify premium for completely free. You're never going to have to spend money on the Spotify membership ever again with this method, and you'll be able to get it for free forever. This works on iPhone and Android. You can do this from any location in the world as well, and you unlock all of the Spotify premium features. So unlimited skips no ads at all, which is so amazing. Finally, no ads. And also you'll be able to save all the music offline so you can listen to it when you don't have internet, or if you're commuting to school or work, you won't have to use your data every single day, and you'll save a lot of money this way. So as you can see, I have my iPhone screen recording. You should be able to see it. Anyways, let's go ahead and walk you guys through the steps on how this works. So basically it's very simple. I'm going to open up Spotify right now, and as you guys can see, I don't have an account right. It says sign up for free or continue with Facebook. I don't have an account. I never bought it before, but there's going to be this method that I'm going to show you how to get with this VPN right here called VPN client. I'm going to show you in this video how to actually get this, but it's a glitched VPN and it gives us developer access to Spotify, and you are about to witness that right now. So as you can see, I'm not connected to the VPN, so the glitch is not activated yet. But what we have to do is when you get the VPN, and I'll show you later in the video how to get this VPN, you have to go ahead and connect to one of the American servers. This glitch will only work if you connect to the American server, one of the American servers on the VPN. So I'm going to go and connect to the New York City 2 servers. Just for an example, we're going to switch it on and connect to it. And let's go ahead and wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will go ahead and allow us to connect. So as you guys can see, we are connected now to the VPN, and it says switch off. So our IP changed as well. Our IP address is at the bottom there. Now we're going to go back to Spotify, and we're going to click it and look at. It registered that our location changed, and it triggered some glitch. As you can see, it says Spotify developer detected Spotify premium membership activated for free. Forever never expires. This is not fake. I'm not even kidding. This is actually real. And yeah, like, I just showed you guys that it does activate a glitch. And now we have Spotify Premium for free forever. We're going to click OK. And as you guys can see, we are in our account. Now, if you guys want to know what the email and the password is to the account, you would have to click on the settings. And then it will tell you the email and password. And then you can take that and log in on your computer or any other devices that you want to use the Spotify account for free. But anyways, let's go ahead now and show you how to actually get this VPN so you guys can do this. Glitch yourselves as well and be able to take advantage of this very easily. So to get this VPN, it's super simple. So what we're going to do is also, I wanted to show you one more thing before I actually get the VPN. If we go into Cash App, look at these guys. It says the Cash App developer detected it. Our Cash App developers get rewards monthly. Enjoy your first reward. Thanks for being a Cash App developer. Guys like this are so insane. Like, look, we just got $200 added to our Cash App for free. So I just wanted to showcase that to you guys because this VPN has so many insane glitches. I think it works for PayPal as well. But anyways, now I'm going to show you guys how to actually get this VPN. So what you guys are going to want to do is open up your browser on your iPhone or Android or computer that you're on. And you're going to want to go to this website, type in uluvpn.com, and yeah, make sure you guys spell it correctly. And then you're going to go on over to the site, and then it's going to load. And then I'll show you guys what we have to do next in order to actually get the VPN. So wait for it to load. Sometimes it can take a bit, especially if I'm using a VPN, which makes your connection slower. Anyways, once you guys are on the site, what we have to do is go on over to this 3 lines thing in the top right. Or if you're on PC, you're going to see a menu in the top, and you're going to click it, and then you're going to go over to pricing, and then it's going to take you to pricing. And then you guys are going to see this package right here, $3.99 a month. This is what we're going to want to get. So you might be thinking, oh, you actually have to spend money for this method, but it's super cheap compared to actually buying Spotify, and you get it for free forever. And like I showed you, you get a free Cash App. And also the best thing about this is that after you set this up once, you can cancel the subscription and don't have to keep paying for it forever. But anyways, guys, we're going to click Get Monthly Package, and then it's going to load the thing here. And as you guys can see, you're going to see this button that says Purchase Package right here. So go ahead and click Purchase Package, and then it's going to load. And now I'm going to show you guys what to do next. So it's going to load us to this page right here. And what we have to do is go on over. You are going to see this list right here that you have to fill in. So you're going to see to check if they have a Google Pay credit card or Apple Pay. So you guys will be able to check out easily with those. But anyways, you'll have to type in your name. Your company name is optional. You're going to have to fill in if you're in the USA, Canada, or whatever address is optional. But the phone phone number, you could just put it like a fake number, I guess. Email address. Put your real email and account username and account password. Make sure you guys remember these. It's super important. If you forget these or don't remember what you put in, you won't be able to get your VPN later on. So make sure you guys write it down and remember it, or just remember it in your head using your brain or whatever. But yeah, make sure you guys remember it, because you're going to need that to get your VPN credentials later on. And that's what's going to give us the glitch. So then you would go ahead and fill in your credit card or whatever, and then check out what to send. And then once you guys have checked out, you're going to see a page like this that loads. Let me open up my screenshots here. You're going to see a page like this that will load. It's going to say the order was received, and it's going to say your VPN account username is, and it's going to be like your username and your password is going to show as well. And then you're going to take these and you're going to go to the app, the VPN client app, or on your computer. I'll show you guys how to get the app though, and how to download it. But yeah, this is where you're going to be used to logging in. So first, you have to make a login to actually use the VPN, and then you get the login for the VPN after you buy it. So there's 2 logins, guys. So remember that. Anyways, once you make the purchase, you're going to see this button that says your account, guys. You'll see it on PC too, but if you're on phone, you'll see it like this. You're going to click it, and then it's going to take you to this page right here, guys. You're going to see all of these like options. Now to get our VPN and actually download it on your phone or computer, you're going to click this button that says downloads. If you're on the computer, you're going to see this list like this, and it's going to say download Windows app. You're going to click that, and it will download the program to your PC. If you're on a MacBook like an Apple laptop, you're going to click Download Mac app. If you're on an iPhone like me right now, you're going to click Download via iTunes Store, and it's going to redirect you to Apple, to the App Store. And then on there will be the VPN client, and you can download it if you're on Android. If you're on an Android phone, you would click Download via Google Play, and it will take you to the Google Play Store, and then you'll be able to download it on Google Play, or I mean on Android. And then guys, once you download it, you take those credentials that they gave you from after you checked out. You take those credentials, you log into your VPN, and it will be working for you. And then you can connect to any server. I mean, the American servers are only for the glitch to work. And then you open up Spotify, and you will see that the account is free, and you'll be able to use it and everything. So yeah, guys, that is how simple this is to do. You buy the VPN, you activate it, and then you go ahead and download it onto your device. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys get it from VPN. I just wanted to show you also really quick. If we go over to the App Store, you will see that if you wanted to just figure out what the app actually looks like on the App Store, you can just type it in here. There it is right there, if any of you guys are wondering what the app is. So yeah, that's how you guys get Spotify Premium for free. I hope this works for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.